This is a pleasure for me. I never usually say this when Kenny's coming up, because usually I'm in trepidation when Kenny's going to do a new poem. So tonight Kenny's going to do a new poem, and it's called Prince Chairlie's Gairden.
First public hearing. It's Prince Chairlie's Gairden. You and your garden. It's nobody Prince Chairlie either, some of the lugs, like me. Anyway, he leant again the Gairden gate and wiped salt beads for his brew and nervously whispered, "Mate, they Plassy got me thinking now. I've often wondered at their ways, they seem to beat me every season, but now I ken, as a wise man says, that all they plaids he reason. I tell ye, I used to be awfully innocent about their feelings, and I'd curse them to my heart's content, but I didn't ken it made them worse. And while I raved at them, it seems, they plants were humbled and offended, and spent their time scheming schemes, to whom a work could be appended. You see, they plants every root and stalk. They dinna like my rough house stock. The radishes about drove me batty, as did the intellectual daddy. My beans, my best and better flouted, had me fair and proper sprouted. But my ways had altered, mate. I smooched to every one. I'm growing more and more sedate, and the heads of each have one. I'm gentle with the peas and beans, and just as you come I was rehearsing a bit of poetry, if you please, to speak gently instead of cursing. I left him in the twilight hour, spreading dung on his sail, crooning what his cauliflower, a prince happy in his toil.
That was Kenny McRae. As I said, I'm always in trepidation with Kenny. I'm glad I listened to that time. About the Duke of Rothesay. He is his proper title.